DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the building.
Hey boy! You know gun people?
Yeah man gang, I see we are dealing with them man. We're there with another one. You see me? Look who's back. Look who the f is back. Yeah man, we're there with none other Dan. Yeah man. Mr. What I say, Mr. Taliban himself, man. You see me with there with none other Byron Messia. And he's been previewing this collab and link up for a minute now. And look, I can finally drop it track. You see me? I say they are with Lil Baby. You see me? And the one that look like it was produced by Rvssian. You see me? The one named Choppa. Check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yo, Byron been making moves. See dog I post on social media with a lot of artists and things. You see me? Say my link up and he's working and shit. You see me? We even seen post one with him and Lil Baby. And people wonder when he might drop the track and it look like he can finally drop it right now. You see me? So we'll check it out. See what dog I deal with. See if the track is worth the wait. You see me? I say, just drop it about 2 hours now. You see me? So I check it out. Yeah, man. Byron Messia, Lil Baby, Rvssian, Choppa. Let's get it, gang. Come on, now Byron. Don't fuck up. Come in.
Yeah.
I expect a banger, you know. Come in. Yeah. I'm outside with the chinny goal. Easy now. Still got to dog. Same song. Choppa. Jumping at the under, you know. Don't fuck with the under, you know. Hey.
Custom grip on the brand new stick. When me kill a boy, me not chat about it. Yeah. Care with the muzzle, got it wrapped round it.
Yeah.
Things sing sweet, me not feel that tune it. 1 strap, 2 strap, 3 strap, 4.
Yeah.
4 niggas strapped in a hand that cord.
Hey, easy. Whoa. Yeah, man. We have to pull out the one, man. Me like the one. We have to take it from the top, G. We have to take it from the top, man. Take it from the top. Come here.
Hey, Rvssian.
Custom grip on the brand new stick. When me kill a boy, me not chat about it. The care with the muzzle, got it wrapped round it. The thing sing sweet, me not feel that tune it. 1 strap, 2 strap, 3 strap, 4. 4 niggas strapped in a hand that cord. Windows down, we are 4.
Easy. Yeah, man. Dog. So far. Alright, we are going.
1 strap, 2 strap, 3 strap, 4. 4 niggas strapped in a hand that cord. Windows down, we are 4. White on you, same boy.
White on you, same. Me tell you no fuck. You under card them in a boy. Come in, man. These niggas spun these niggas black, bro.
Choppa go do. Pussy boy, same one, beef and cloud. Put him pan in you, woo.
Yo, woo. Choppa go woo. Nigga say you want bomba club, put him pan in you, woo. Alright, come. But I don't see what go on in the bomba video, dog. You know what go on? It's a story that I tell.
Windows down, we are 4. White on you, same boy. Choppa go do. Choppa go do. Pussy boy, same one, beef and cloud. Put him pan in you,
Easy. Yeah, man. Choppa go do. Pussy boy say one beef and cloud. Put him on the new Alright, Byron.
Why last and found when the Choppa go do. Body drop like Netflix series. Choppa sing sweet like it have diabetes. Make your mama buy please pan she needs. Clock 22 talking at Amiris. Believe me.
Why I drop like Netflix series? Oh, easy no one. That go easy. That I sing it tune, but that go hard. Yeah man, that go Smooth. Yeah. This a calm and deadly. Come here.
Make a mama but please ban she needs it.
Boy drop like body drop. Hey, come
Click
here.
CV, Choppa sing.
Hold on, I'm full of from the top. Come here, man. More your dog, I say. Come here.
Body drop like Netflix series. Choppa sing sweet like it have diabetes. Make a mama but please ban she needs it. Clock 22 talking at Amiris. Believe me, yo, seeing kids, we don't give a fuck so we can't catch diseases. From a minute.
Easy to say kids who don't give a fuck so we can't catch diseases. Easy now, man. Easy. Don't give a fuck on here. Come in, dog, go hard, man. Come in.
Make a mama but please ban she needs it. Clock 22 talking at Amiris. Believe me, yo, seeing kids, we don't give a fuck so we can't catch diseases. From a minute in, yo, papa, when we been a play, we gon' them been a play with that. I just say water to a well.
From a little baby body jump here. Weird. Look, you are play with gun, play with that wheels is. This thing can say wheels is. Easy yourself, Byron.
When we been a play, we gon' them been a play with that. I just say water to a well, I'm a hustler. Government officials still tripping that cousin. Held me up for 10 hours on the plane, we was stuck there.
Yeah.
Lately I've been drinking, my problems go to cussing. They ain't rocking with us, they against us, and it's fuck them. Whoever I say can't come here. Or anybody anywhere on any given Sunday. Crazy, I'm a celebrity.
That's a fact, bro. Yeah, man. Any boy when I go with us, you know. Hey, come in, gang. Bumbo cleave.
Held me up for 10 hours on the plane, we was stuck there. Lately I've been drinking, my problems go to cussing. They ain't rocking with us, they against us, and it's fuck them. Whoever I say can't come here. Or anybody anywhere on any given Sunday. Crazy, I'm a celebrity, I used to be a convict. I got
with anybody on any given Sunday, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man, if they ain't with us, it's fuck them. Straight up.
Anybody anywhere on any given Sunday. Crazy, I'm a celebrity, I used to be a convict. I gotta get revenge, I can't have it on my conscience. Go slide.
Woo!
Gunfire. Woo! We got all these blicks on us, we ain't on no dumb shit.
I gotta get it. Mayo! Nigga. I gotta get revenge, nigga. I can't have it on my conscience. Nigga, go slide. Woohoo! You guess what that mean? You get what I mean? Nigga say, I gotta get revenge. The man says, crazy, I used to be a crazy, I'm a celebrity. I used to be a god conflict. You see me? I gotta get revenge. I gotta get it off my conscience. Then the man said, go slide. You get that? Nigga pay niggas to go, what niggas out, man? I say, I'm a celebrity now, so I can't do too much, but nigga, I'll pay some niggas gonna hit your ass up, nigga. I'm to you. Hey.
Can't come here. Or anybody anywhere on any given
That's my interpretation of it. You see me? Yeah.
Sunday. Crazy, I'm a celebrity, I used to be a convict. I gotta get revenge, I can't have it on my conscience. Go slide.
You see me?
Gunfire. We got all these blicks on us, we ain't on no dumb shit. But we ready for 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4. We bring small to a pussy front door.
Bro, Byron, you lucky, nigga. Yeah, man, I think you got one of the best Bum Buckley Lil Baby verse this year. This nigga gave you a verse for real, nigga. He right there, you paid that cash. You see me? Cause this nigga went in and he in the video, all that shit.
I can't have it on my conscience. Go slide. Gunfire. We got all these blicks on us, we ain't on no dumb shit. We ready for 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4. We bring small to a pussy front door. I was playing cool, but I never let it go. Brody in the jungle, go to sleep with a swirl, it's crazy.
You just say I was playing cool, but I never let that shit go, nigga. Don't make that go over your head, boy. Hey. Yeah, man, when it's so cold, have a new taste. You hear that?
Nah, bust the case and we laugh. Ha ha ha. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, 4. Killer them knock by your door. He's a rap we get on the floor. Yo, weak dog, make it Choppa go do. Choppa go do.
Byron, did you just find another hit, nigga? Did you just find another hit, nigga? Okay, you know one hit wonder this shit take off. You got one of the best Lil Baby verse of the year so far, gang. You know what I'm saying? So far, you got one of the best Lil Baby verses. You on Central C, I wanna get one of the best little verses from Lil Baby so far for the year, nigga. And this is a vibe. Play this song for you.
On the floor, your weak dog, make it Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do.
You see TikTok I run with this Ras already. You see me? The whole IG, me see I run with this already. Me see it. You see what I said? You do the same thing you did with Taliban. You see me? The same thing now. The same Taliban beating. You think I don't hear it?
Choppa go do 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 do.
Yeah, it's the Taliban beat. Taliban beat sample. I see it. Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, we ain't stupid. Well, I ain't stupid. We don't know if you hear still. But here I go and do. The whole do. There's a part in Taliban that's the part that called people. You see what I'm saying?
Put him on the carbon sound while last and found when the Choppa go do 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 do. Ha 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 ha. Da 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 da.
Don't cry, go slide,
Go slide. Easy no one.
gunfire.
Woo. Bro, the video bad, dog. Yeah, man. The video bad. Song bad too. Yeah, man. I think that's for the top. Yeah, man. I think for the top, gang. And this one I'm just playing too. I ain't doing that much stuff. So let's get it. Yeah.
Da 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 da.
The ball clean pan them. Easy now, Byron.
Hey, Rvssian.
Custom grip on the brand new stick. When me kill a boy, me not chat about it. The key with the muzzle got it wrapped round it. The things
Yeah, attention, dog. You just load up in your own now a while ago, you know. You see me?
sweet, me not feel that tuning. 1 strap, 2 strap, 3 strap, 4. 4 niggas strapped in a handbag cord. Windows down, we are 4-4. White and juicy and boy. Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do.
Easy now, dog. Yeah, dog. Got it coming.
Boy, same one beef and cloud. Put him pan it new. Carbon sound, boy, last and found. When the Choppa go do 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 do. Body drop like Netflix series. Choppa sing sweet like it have diabetes. Make a mama but please pan she needs it.
Come on, no man. Come in, Byron.
Make a mama but please pan she needs it. Clock 22 talking at Amiris. Believe me, yo, seeing kids, we not give a fuck so we can't catch diseases. From a minute in, yo, Papa, when we been a play, we gun them been a play with that
I just
wheelie.
said water to a well.
Come on, let's a little baby first. Wow, come in.
Hustle. Government officials still tripping that cousin. Held me up for 10 hours on the plane, we was stuck there. Lately I've been drinking, my problems with the custom. They ain't rocking with us, they against us, and it's fuck them.
Facts.
I say can't come here. Support anybody anywhere on any given Sunday. Crazy, I'm a celebrity, I used to be a convict. I gotta get revenge, I can't have it on my country.
Yeah.
Go slide,
Go slide. Go on.
gunfire. We got all these blicks on us, we ain't on no dumb shit. But we ready for 1, up 2, up 3, up 4. We bring small to a pussy front door. I was playing cool, but I never let it go. Brody in the jungle, go to sleep with a swirl, it's crazy.
Come on.
That bust the case and we laugh. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha.
Ha da da. 1 strap, 2 strap, 3 strap, 4. Killer them knock
Knock on your door. Come in, no man.
on your door. It's a rap we get on the floor. Yo, weak dog, make it Choppa go do 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 do.
Come on now, man. Make you about shit in your face. Come in.
Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do. Choppa go do 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 do. Pussy boy, same one beef and cloud. Put him on the
Woo. Yeah, man. 7 o'clock news too. Early. Yeah, man. Nobody miss it.
Carbon sound, boy, last and found. When the Choppa go do 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 do. Ha 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 ha.
Easy, no? Byron.
Ha 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 ha. Da 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 da.
Don't cry. Go slide.
Yeah, man. Now you mean? Yeah, man, they did this. The dog in the video. Dog, them a collab. They sound so cohesive on this shit. Watch this, dog. Damn, I forget about the blood class storyline. Me there, I tell them to watch this shit. Alright, so dog then jump on it in the undercard. When I hit these niggas up, right? You see me I say? I think when I charge you drop out, dog get hit. You see me? Dog get hit, him drop out. You see me I say? And then bumbo clot in dog there. You see me? Dog I make a spin back, man. You see me I say? Yeah.
Gunfire. Ha ha ha.
Hold them here, boy. Hold them here. You know your bumbo clot. Yeah, man. Big up.
Not a problem.
Yeah, man. Big up to your dog, them. You see me I say? Byron Messia, little baby, Rvssian, Choppa. Yeah, man. Don't do that thing. It's a vibe. Gang, it's a vibe. I'm not think about it on the beat, lyrics, melody, the video, the message, everything. You see me, dog, they did that thing, in my opinion. You see me, I say, yeah, it's a fire song. So. Byron is back. Hopefully that can get. I need Byron is some more frequent videos, my G. You see me, I say, you start drop more videos on music now, man. More frequent. But anyway, do your thing, gang. Banger just drop. You know, maybe think in the comment section. Drop your request. You're gonna get your shout out, all that good shit. You already know what time it is, gang. You don't know. Until next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.